and we pray. Father God in heaven, thank you for us, Lord. Lord, thank you for everything, Lord. Lord, even as we are studying here, Lord, please make us not to be confused, Lord. Lord, as you allow, Lord, please allow us to us everything, Lord, in our Google Classroom, Lord. Lord, please make us not to be confused, Lord. Lord, as we are learning, Lord, please make us be chosen, Lord. Lord, by the time you hear us calling out to you, Lord, that means you're a good God, Lord. And Lord, thank you for what you've done for us, Lord. Lord, even as we are learning, Lord, please guide and protect us, Lord. And please touch us, precious blood, Lord. In Jesus' name I pray, amen.
Amen. Abigail.
Yes?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh. Okay, thank you for the prayer.
Teacher.
Oh. Mr. Michael, is my sound okay or the echo is still on?
Echo is on. Are you able to see my screen also? Yes?
Yeah, I'm seeing your screen clear. Loud, it's clear.
Okay.
How about now? Is it also on?
It's now fine with you.
Okay. So class, I would like to thank Edify for the good work, Christian Schools Owners Association, together with ICT Teacher Association of Uganda, coming together and bringing for us this live and free Zoom lessons in comfort of your home. Today we are going to, the class is based on mathematics, and teacher is Teacher Didas, and we are going to handle additional fractions. Hey, even last time we added fractions, but even today we are still adding more fractions. But today we are in word problems. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so today the subject is the 30th, that's September 2021, and I'm going to take you through the mental work. Mental work, I'll give you the questions and tell you the answer. What I used to do last week, last week, is also what I'm going to do. Pick a person, I ask you the question, as the friends are writing, you are also writing. Okay, let me hear from Daniel. Daniel. Danny. Danny. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel. Okay. So Daniel, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So Daniel, can we go on? I'm going to ask you the first question, huh?
Yes.
And you give me the answer, isn't it?
Yes.
Daniel,
Yes, teacher.
I'm going to ask you the question.
Yes.
And you tell me
Yes,
the
teacher.
answer.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, Daniel.
Yes.
Suppose I have 10 hens at home.
Yes.
Then I have some visitors and I kill or I slaughter 3. How many hens do I remain with?
Yes.
Have you heard my question?
No.
I'm saying suppose
Yes.
I do have 10 hens at home.
Yes.
When I receive my visitors, after receiving the visitors, I kill some 3 so that we can eat them. Huh? So
Yes.
how many hens do I remain with?
7 hens.
7 hens. Good boy. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. I want to pick these ones who are always here. They come late, you don't want to put up their hands. Huh? There's someone called Valisha. Valisha, unmute yourself, Valisha.
Yes, teacher.
How are you, Valisha?
Fine.
Fine. I have my question. Are you ready to give me the answer?
Yes.
Okay. Valisha,
Yes.
how old are you?
9.
You have a young brother at home?
Yes.
How old is he?
He's going to turn 1 this year.
He's going to turn this year 1.
Yes.
Do you have the old one?
No.
Oh, okay. Let's go. Now, Valisha, you are 10, isn't it?
9.
You are 9. Okay. Valisha is 9 years old. The brother is 1 year old. Find their total age. Valisha. Valisha, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, tell me the answer. Did you hear my
What was
question?
the question again? What was the question?
What was the question? I said Valisha is 9 years. The brother is 1 year old. What is their total age? Valisha.
Ten.
Yes, please.
I said 3.
You said what?
10.
10. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Valisha. Thank you, Valisha. Okay. Thank you, Valisha. Thank you, Valisha. Hey, to dumping those ones who don't put up the hand. There's someone called Morris Gideon. Morris Gideon.
Yes,
Unmute
teacher.
yourself. How are you? Morris?
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
Yes, teacher. I'm fine.
How are you? You're fine.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm asking,
Yes.
Do you know eggs?
Yes.
Do you know eggs? Mollies. Mollies? Morris is
Yeah.
Mollies.
Teacher.
Okay, let me pick another one. There is Mosiah Nathan. Nathan Mosiah.
Yes, please, teacher.
How are you?
Fine.
You're fine, Nathan.
Yes.
So, Wama, do you know eggs?
Yes.
Okay. Now, suppose in the morning,
Hey.
I had the 9 eggs.
Yes.
Then I ate 2 in the evening, and I gave out 1. How many eggs do I remain with? Sorry?
Give me a second.
I give you a second.
Yes.
What are you doing? You are adding.
Yeah. Take away.
Okay. Have your second.
Teacher.
Yeah.
The answer is 6.
The answer is 6.
Yes.
Okay. You're good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Bye, Nathan. The answer is 6. I'm thinking this one, so don't put up. There's someone called Evans. Evans, can you unmute yourself? If your name is Evans, please unmute yourself. If your name is Evans, unmute yourself. Oh, okay. Evans,
Yes.
how are you, Evans?
I'm fine.
Hey, Evans,
Yes.
if I have a half plus a half, what do I get?
Yes.
If I have a half
Yes.
plus a half, what do I get? Evans?
Yes.
What is a half plus a half? Oh,
Don't know.
don't know. Good, don't know. Hold on, we shall be there. Shall get someone who will tell us. Aguti. There's someone called Aguti. Called Aguti last one. Aguti. Aguti.
Hello.
How are you, Aguti? Aguti. How are you? You think I can't hear you, right? Can't hear you right. Is Ebo and Duna. Ebo and Duna. Unmute yourself. Ebo and Duna. How are you? How are you, Ebo?
I'm fine.
Am I talking to Ebo or I'm talking to Duna?
Able.
Able. Okay, able. If I have a half plus a half, what do I get?
A whole.
You get a whole. Good boy, able. Okay. Okay, this is the last one. I'm picking the last person here. I'm picking the last person. Today I'm only picking these ones who don't put up your hand. These ones who come late. Huh? See, mortgage you, you know, okay, someone named Didas. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, Didas. Let me ask you to tell me. Where? Okay. You are off. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Kwanga figure, you need to put your hand up. Okay. Mia from Lee Victoria. Lee,
Yes, teacher.
how are you, Lee?
I'm fine, teacher.
How does the name Lee come? How does the name Lee? How
It's
does the
L. It's
No.
L. Eh?
Yeah, go on.
L-E-E.
Like that. So you are Lee Victoria.
Yes.
So Lee,
Yes.
do you know how many legs does that have?
Yes, teacher.
How many? How many legs you expect a duck to be having? You need duck.
I've not had the question.
I'm asking,
Mm.
do you know a duck?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, how many legs does it have?
2 legs.
Now, when I have 2 ducks, how many legs do they have?
3.
Victoria.
6.
Victoria. Victoria, can you talk to me?
8. 8 legs.
Oh, 1 duck has 2. Then 2 ducks have 8 legs.
No, 4 legs.
4 legs. How about 3?
3, 6
How about,
legs.
how about 4?
8 legs.
How about 5?
10.
Good. Lee. Okay. 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 Thank you, Mr. Michael. I think you can go on next. Thank you. Okay. Okay. So class, before we look at the fractions as we are going to add them, I would like to tell you once again that a fraction is a part of a whole, and 2 halves make a whole. When you get a half plus a half, you'll get a whole. That's the question I asked someone failed me. Let's go on. The fraction Hello, Mr. Michael. Okay. A fraction has both mainly 2 parts. One part is a denominator, and another part Enumerator. Those are the two parts that we have.
Okay. I was saying that a fraction has got two parts. One is a numerator and another one is a denominator. Those are the two parts of a fraction that we have. Okay. So learners, okay. Oh. Am I the only one finding a challenge somewhere? Okay. Okay. Let me pick someone here to tell me what is okay. Let me hear from okay, let me hear from who? Let me hear from Ewart. Ewart.
Yes, teacher.
Can you please read?
Okay.
Mr. Didas,
Please.
today your audio is disturbing you. You are breaking, you are going off, so learners can't pick you clearly.
About now?
It's
Yes,
fine,
it's okay.
so just try to be stable.
Okay. Ewart, are you on?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me what you are seeing on the screen.
Fractions.
What are you seeing?
Fractions.
Read the statement. What is a fraction?
A fraction is a part of a whole. Two halves make a whole.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Michael, we can go to the next slide. Okay. Those are the parts of the fraction, as I earlier told you, that a fraction has got two parts, one a numerator and another one a denominator. Let's go on, Mr. Mike. Okay. Previously when I was here, we looked at addition of fractions. But even today, we are also going to be adding fractions, but these fractions are in wordy problems. To give an example, the first example one is saying, Joan had 3 out of 7, that is 3/7 of the cake, and her mother added her 2/7 of the cake of another cake. What is the fraction of the cake does she have now? Meaning that Joan at first had 3 out of 7 of the cake. Then later, the mom added her 2 out of 7 of another cake. Altogether, so can we go on and we do what? We find out what the answer is. Okay, so Mr. Mike, I think I can share the screen now.
Go ahead and share.
Okay. Okay. So class,
I was telling you that at first, this young lady, Joan,
had Joan had 3 out of 7 of the cake. Then the mother added her 2 out of 7 of the cake. So what do we do? What we're going to do is, as earlier I told you last time, we draw our first line. Then we have gotten 2 denominators, 7 and 7. Since they are the same denominators, we are going to maintain one denominator and we write 7. Then we are going to add the numerators together, the ones on top. That is 3. Oh, sorry. Let me do this. We had 3 out of 7 plus 2 out of 7. And we said we have 7 here. Then this one would be 3 plus 2. What do I get? You can go on, you can draw your balls here and add. But I know by this time in P3, we can say that 3 plus 2, the answer is 5. Then down here, the answer is 7. All together. So meaning that now Joan has the fraction of the cake, the total fraction of the cake is 5 out of 7 as our final answer. All together? Yes, I'm going to repeat it. So that all of us will understand. Joan at first had 3 out of 7. The mother added her 2 out of 7. What does she have now? Sorry, we have said since we have 7 and 7, as the denominator. Oh, sorry. So since we have our okay, so since we have our 3 out of 7 plus 2 out of 7, what do? We maintain the denominator, which is what? Which is 7. Then we add here 3 plus 2. What shall we get? You can draw your balls. How many? 2, 1. You can draw the 2 balls here. You can do the 3 balls here if you want, or counters. But we can go on and get our answer as 5 out of 7. Therefore, the fraction of the cake Joan is having is 5 out of 7. All together? So that's it. That's how we do it. Now I'm going to request someone here. If you know how to share the screen, we're going to display the question number 2. We're going to display the question number 2. Then you will go on and tell us how do we do it, like the way I did it. I don't want to question next. I want to still emphasize my only one question. All of us, we understand. Once again, we have 3. Joan had 3 out of 7 of the cake. The mother went ahead, added her 2 out of 7. What do? We maintain our denominator 7. We add here 3 plus 2. What shall I get as the final answer? You can draw your balls. 1, 2. 1 and 2 here. Here I draw 1, 2, 3. Then I add them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5 out of 7 as my final answer. Are together? So that's the fraction of the cake that John is having. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, let's go back here. Okay. Okay, let's go back here. Okay,
Mr. Michael, I think you can share for us the next example. And we hear from Great Iranzi is saying, teacher,
I'm the next person to present. Okay, let's go on. Okay, thank you. Iranzi, where you are, first read for us the question. Then Mr. Michael is going to give you the right to share your screen. Okay, and it is only Iranzi who is supposed to share. If you try to share and I see you, I will take you out of my class. Don't disturb when you are not given a chance. Greg.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Read for me the question.
Peter had.
Do you see that fraction? Do you see that fraction?
Yes.
Which fraction is that?
It's 2. It's a half.
No, don't read it as a half. Read it as it is. How many parts are shaded?
2.
And how many parts are they in total?
4.
Okay, so the fraction is? Greg?
Yes.
The shaded fraction is what? Hello?
Hello?
Maybe Mr. Mike will help us and write it there in the space. Okay. We are asking which fraction is shaded?
2.
Have I lost? It is 2. Which fraction is not shaded?
2.
Okay, what is the total number of all the parts?
4.
Okay, so we shall make 4 as our denominator, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so that's Peter had that sugar cane and James added him. What did James add him? Which fraction is shaded?
1.
Good. How many parts are there in total?
4.
Okay, the parts are 4. So therefore, that's the fraction you're supposed to add. All together?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we have gotten 2 out of 4 plus 1 out of 4. Okay. So you go on and share your screen. Let Mr. Mike allow you to share the screen and you show us how to calculate it. Make sure you speak. I don't want people who come and write and go away. No. Okay. Okay. Good, Greg. Okay. So work out and I see.
We have 2 shaded parts. And the total of the number is 4.
Oh, your 4 is too big. Aguti, stop it. Aguti, stop it. Okay. Greg, where are you? Greg?
Yes.
What happened to you? Why did you take out your screen? Morris, stop it. Morris, Greg, share your screen and we go. If you are not ready, I give a chance to another person.
Greg is ready, only that these other people are disturbing him.
No. Okay, you wrap off the 4. Thank you. If I see you sharing the screen when I'm not given a chance, I'm going to remove you out of the class. Simple. So behave. Greg, go on and write. Okay. Let me first begin with Aguti. Aguti, I'm going to remove you out of the class first. Mr. Michael, help Manda put Aguti in the waiting room.
Okay.
Greg, share your screen. You write a 4. Okay. Okay. Good. Greg, you are not talking, and I said I need someone who is talking. Why are you adding? Don't just talk and write.
We have 2 shaded parts. And
okay. Mr. Michael, help me and work on Mukwaya also.
Okay.
I've said once you share the screen when you're not allowed, I will put you out of my class. Simple. I want discipline in my class. Okay. Let's go on. Greg, share your screen again.
they are saying that the host is disabling participants to share the screen.
Let him share.
Share now. Ethan, stop what you are doing. Greg, can you share your screen, please? Oh my God. I think I have to come out now and I do something here. Members, I wanted all of us to participate, but it seems some members are misbehaving. Okay, go on.
We have,
what's next?
We have 2 shaded parts and 4 parts in total. And add one shaded part.
Okay.
The total is 4.
Okay.
Add it.
Yeah.
That's why
Okay.
we get our 4 here. And the answer is
yes.
3.
Oh. Okay. Ewat Mumbele, Mr. Michael is working on you. Thank you. Greg, share your screen, hurry up. Friends are disturbing. Okay, go on, rub what you're supposed to rub and write the correct one.
So the answer is 3.
Hey. Okay. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Greg. Thank you for
You're
the
welcome.
work. Yes, you're a good boy, Greg. Mr. Michael, you can share and we'll go to the next example. Or let me first do this. Mr. Michael. Hold on first. Okay. So class, we had the fraction which was 4. Oh, sorry, we had the fraction which was 2 out of 4. It was the shaded fraction. Then plus a quarter. What do? We maintain the denominator 4. Then we add here 2 plus 1. What shall we get as the answer? 3 out of 4. Altogether. You can go ahead in the other fraction since we had the what? Since we had the sugar cane, which was in this format altogether. So you can go ahead. And do what? You can go ahead and come and make the 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we shall shade the 4 parts now. The 3 parts making 3 out of 4. Simple like that. Okay. Since it was a sugar cane and it was in diagram format, so it can also be done in a diagram way. Thank you, Mr. Michael. Let's go to the next example. I need someone who's ready to share the screen. Those ones who are disturbing, I've told you, you disturb the teacher, I get what to do for you. We shall put you outside of the class. Okay. Okay. That is example 3. I need some. Should I think that those ones who are putting up the hands, all of them know how to share the screen? Oh, it's better you type in the chat, and I know because you are very many here, so I don't even know whom should I pick here. Okay. Okay, people are just adding themselves there. Okay, let me pick the first person here. Nkonge is called Nkonge Shuhara. Nkonge?
Yes,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Do you know how to share your screen?
No.
No. Okay. Nkonge still has to learn how they share the screen. Okay. If you are able to share your screen and work out the next example, please type in the chat and say, meet teacher. Okay. Okay. Type in the chat and say, meet teacher. There is someone from Dokolo. Okay. It's called Napoleon. Okay. Let me pick Napoleon here from Dokolo. Okay. Elietu Napoleon Dokoro. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you fine?
Yes.
Sure, you come from Dokoro.
Yes.
Okay. So do you know how to share the screen?
Yes.
The man from Dokoro. Read the example on the chalk on your screen. Napoleon?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Go on. Read the example on the screen. Napoleon. Okay, let me pick another one. Is it Kabogoza? Someone is called Kabogoza. Kabogoza Emmanuel.
Yes, teacher.
How are you, Kabogoza?
I'm fine.
Okay. Kabogoza, read for me the question which is on the chart. Read for me the question.
Richard
Yeah, Richard.
for his three out of 9 for his
Of his
distance in the morning and 2 times 9. 2 out of 9 in the evening.
Yes.
What distance did he move all together?
Okay, so you know it is 3 out of 9 or 3 9 plus 2 9 altogether.
Yes.
Okay, let Mr. Michael grant you the permission to share your screen. So Kabogoza, share your screen, and you have muted yourself. How will you talk now, Kabogoza? Don't mute yourself, Kabogoza. Remain on so that you share your screen and we are able to hear. Unmute yourself, Kabogoza.
Yes, teacher.
Stop muting yourself because we shall not hear you.
Yes.
Share your screen. Share your screen now. Okay. Oh, you have shared the screen. Oh no. Not the whiteboard. Oh no. Oh no. Kabogoza. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Who is there with you?
I'm doing it.
You have shared the screen of the phone, but you have to share your whiteboard on Zoom. Check on the share button and look for where the word whiteboard is. Mr.
Okay.
Michael, help me with Muonge Jude. Thank you. Okay, share again. Press the button of share and look for where the word whiteboard is. Okay. Rotate your screen, rotate your phone. Okay, like that. Good. Now write the question. It was 3 out of 9. Oh, you're writing very big ones. Kabogoza, okay. Again, go on. 3 out of 9. Kabogoza, can you write? You are still using the eraser or the rubber. Pick a pen. Out of 9. Okay. Good. Plus 2. Area to Napoleon from Dokoro. I gave you a chance and you misused it. Stop disturbing my class. Kabogoza, go on and share your screen again. Someone is disturbing you. Okay, write again. Okay. Your work has been removed by a Napoleon. Napoleon, I gave you a chance, but you didn't share. You kept quiet and moved away. Good. Good. Mr. Michael, I wish you could help me with Muonge Jude, because this is the 3rd time I'm warning him. Let him remain in the waiting room. Okay, Kabogoza, do it faster, please. Okay. Good. Good. Don't rub, you write it down. Don't rub, you write in the space there. We shall understand. Okay. That's not bad. Good. Okay. Okay. And what's the answer do we get?
5.
Okay. Like that? Oh, 5 out of 9. Okay. It's understandable since it's your first time to share the screen and the whiteboard. It's not simple. Okay. Thank you, Kabogoza, for the good work you have done there. Okay. I would like to clarify on it. Lastly, mute yourself, Kabogoza. Yourself. So we have 3 out of 9. Okay. Let me do this also. We have 3 out of 9. We add 2 out of 9. What do we get? We shall get 3 plus 2 out of 9 as our denominator. You can draw our balls. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. What do I have in total? In total, I have 5 out of 9. That's the distance he moved. Altogether, thank you, Kabogoza. Let Mr. Michael share the screen and we move to another example. Okay, and we move to another example. Okay. Okay, let me pick who? There was someone called Laura Ellen. Unmute yourself, Laura.
Teacher.
How are you, Laura?
Yes. I'm fine, thank you, teacher.
Okay, read the question.
Robin's dog ate 2 out of 7 of its food in the morning and 3 out of 7 in the evening. What fraction did it eat altogether?
Okay, share your screen now. Let Mr. Michael, we have 2 out of 7 and 3 out of 7. Let Mr. Michael allow you to share the screen. The first fraction is 2 out of 7 or 2 7 plus 3 7. Laura, go on and share your screen.
Excuse me, teacher Didas, I can't share the screen.
What does it show you?
It doesn't show book. It only shows bookmark.
Bookmark. Try to share again your screen. Laura, it's okay. You can see your whiteboard. Okay. Go on and write. 2 7 plus 3 7. Summary chitata. Please behave. Laura, share your screen again. Okay. Thank you. Can you write now? Laura. Laura. Oh, seems we have problem. Laura, are you on? Oh, Laura. You are not doing anything. Laura. Sorry? Oh my God. Laura. Let me pick another person here. Okay, let me give a chance to Nanziri. Laura. I'm going to take you off and hear from Nanziri. Nanziri Shahim.
Yes, teacher.
Nanziri, are you on?
Yes.
Okay, share your screen. Oh, okay, it's okay. First, hold on, you write the last example. Let Laura finish up, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, remain online. Don't go off.
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Laura, thank you. Okay. Okay. Mr. Michael, you can display the next so that Nancy can participate also. If it's there. Okay. Nancy, are you on? If you have another example there. Okay. Mr. Michael, share the next one. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Nancy, are you on? I told you not to mute yourself, Nancy. Why do you mute yourself? Nancy.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, go on, read the question and we allow you to share the screen.
Find the sum of 7 out of 15 and 4 out of 15.
Okay, let's go on. Mr. Michael, let's grant her the permission. Okay, Mr. Michael, are you on? Let's give her the permission to share. Nancy.
Yes, teacher.
I'm on and she can share.
Share your screen, Nancy, now.
The permission is already granted.
Oh, you have shared that? You go, no. Okay, check on the word, Nancy.
Yes, teacher.
You check where there is the word share and look for the word whiteboard. Don't share your screen. Look for the word whiteboard. Okay, you can go on now. Nancy,
Yes, teacher.
you have only one chance, or I give the chance of another person. because we are out of time. There is someone who is disturbing.
Yes,
Nimulungi Daniel, I'm going to remove Nimulungi Daniel from the class. Simple.
Okay, thank you. Nancy, go on. Okay.
someone is
Okay, I think I have to do this due to time. I cannot wait because when I give you chance to participate, then some of us will begin to misbehave. So finally, we had 7 finally we had 7 out of 15, then plus 2 out of 15. So I've said earlier that we maintain the 15, which is the denominator. Then on top we add 7 plus 2. You can go on and draw the balls here. We have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then here I have 1 and 2. So when you count all of them together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total is 9 out of 15 as our final answer. Okay, so that's what we had to study today, and allow me to end here, and I request Mr. Michael to display our last page as we have the last person to pray for us. But before we pray, when I give you a chance to participate, okay. So I'm going to post the notes and the activity on our Google Classroom. So please join if you haven't joined using the code below, and we see you'll find the activity there. You just attend to it. So let me pick the last person to give us the closing prayer, and we end our lesson. However, I'm not happy with how some members have behaved. Nimulungi Daffy, this was Nimulungi Daniel,
and others. So, because I give a chance, I want everybody to participate. And when someone is given an opportunity, you have to respect it. Okay, let me hear from Nathan. Is it Nathan? Yeah, Nathaniel wants to pray for us.
Yes,
Nathan,
teacher.
how are you?
Fine.
Okay, pray for us as we end our lesson.
Okay. Oh Lord, thank you for this day, and thank you for everything you've done for us. Thank you for teaching. Thank you for praying for us, and thank you for keeping us in all our lives. And please, God, keep us in our world, everything, and let all the teachers and people and children be okay. Oh Lord, we thank you for this day. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Okay, amen. Thank you. I would like to say, bye-bye. That's all we had today. Okay. I can allow you to unmute yourselves and you say bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye,
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.